my god, guys, you can notice this moment. Willow is being like literally so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, she's purring so loud. Ticka ticka boo boo. I just posted a video, the one that goes like, how do you intend to kill us? Oh no, I can't kill you, but my butt can. Say hi, buddy. And then I pointed out Willow. Say hi, hi Willow. Hi everybody, I'm Willow. I'm getting a treatment and a love. And I'm literally just laying down because I get to be lazy all day. See, like, I can't believe she can talk. I just found out she can talk. Yeah, I could talk. You think I'm dumb? No, I don't think you're dumb. Well, it clearly looks like you think